How to collect donations on any website for free, easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to collect donations on any website for free. So let's get into it. Today I will be showing you how to add a donation form on a website that you already have, or if you're creating a website for a fundraiser, or if you have an organization, you might want to add a donation form and collect donations, but you're very confused how to do that, how to create that form with all of the information, and how to do that for free. Well, it's really easy to do. Today, I will be using my WordPress website to add a donation form, but you can also use other websites such as Wix, Squarespace to use the same plugin and integration that I will be using today. So let's get into the process. You will open up your WordPress website and you will land right here. Why I chose WordPress? Because a lot of people create the website on WordPress, and WordPress actually allows you to create any kind of website which is very interactive, and creating a donation form on WordPress is also really easy. On WordPress, you will have to scroll down to plugins and click on add new. Here we have to search for donation form, or you can also search for give WP content form by WP forms as well. So it will open up a lot of different plugins for you. You can see there are more than 700 items available. And these are all plugins, free plugins that allow you to create contact forms. But the ones that work pretty good and I have already used are these top three and even the fourth one. You can see the first one is Give WP donation plugin and fundraising platform. So we can add this platform to accept donation and begin fundraising with Give WP, the highest rated WordPress donation plugin. Then we have a contact form creator. Now this is all in one platform, and this is just a contact form that you will be able to create. Then there is a contact form creator, this one as well. And then we have a donation platform for WooCommerce. So if you want to go with WooCommerce, you can select this one. So I can go with either Give WP donation platform, or we can just go with WP form to create a contact form, to create a donation form for our WordPress website. So you can see this one has 5 million active installation, this one as well, and this one has 100,000 active installation. I'm going to click on install now and then click on activate. So Give WP will be activated on my WordPress website. Again, you can actually go to Give WP directly and add it to your other websites too, such as Wix, Squarespace, Weebly, Webflow, wherever you create your website. Alright, so we have Give WP. You're only minutes away from accepting donations. I'm going to click on Start Setup. Alright, so first of all, we have to select a cause for the donation. I'm fundraising as an individual, I'm fundraising within an organization, I'm fundraising for other reasons. So I'm going to select I'm fundraising as an individual, or you can also select an organization. What are you fundraising for? So we have different options. We have advocacy, health, politician, education. So I'm going to go with education as my purpose and click on accept and continue. After that, we have to select a country, province, and currency in which you will be selecting your donations in. So we have United States, in state, let's go with maybe Alaska, and then currency is going to be USD. Click on continue. Now, different features. You need to select what you will be adding to your donation form. Now, it depends on you that what are the different features you need your form to have. So we have a donation goal. Yes, I want it. I want to have a donation goal added so everybody can see that, okay, we have reached 50%, 60% of the goal. Donation comments. Yes, I would like people to add comments too. Terms and condition. Yes, I want to have some terms and conditions because I'm not accepting donations from certain countries. Offline donation. No, I'm not doing offline donations, but you can select this option if you want to. Anonymous donations. I'm gonna select this option because a lot of people do not want to show their face or show their name, so they can donate anonymously. And then we have company donations. If companies want to donate, they can, so I will allow this too. Now this is according to me. You can select the options according to you. Now we're gonna click on continue, and it will show me a preview of my donation form with the information that I have added. So we'll just get a preview in a second. So here we have our own preview of our donation. You can see it has 3 pages. So people will click on donate now and they will be driven right here that they want to donate $25, 100 custom amount, then they will continue. And this is where they will add their first name, last name, company name, email address, and leave a comment. So this is what my donation form looks like, and this is going to be their total summary of how it will look and what they donated. Now, if you want to customize this form, if you want to do some changes, you will click on continue, and it will allow you to actually add more things to your donation form, such as recurring donation. If someone has donated already and they want to donate again, if they can do it, you can allow them. So you can just select this one. Then we have donors cover fee. So if you want to cover a fee for the donation, then you can just select this option. Then you have PDF receipts. If they want to get a PDF and print it, you can allow this. So I'm going to do that. And then we have custom form fields. So I'm going to select this as well. Add-ons. This is going to be my add-on because if I want to add some custom fields from myself, and for example, I also want to get their province, so I can add like some custom fields. Then we have multiple currency. Now this is really important. If you're able to accept in multiple currencies, then make sure to go with that, because a lot of people do not deal in USD and they want to pay in their own currency because it's easier for them. So you can select this option. And then we have dedicate donations. So I'm going to select this too. These are going to be my add-ons, and I'm going to click on continue. Once the setup is done, it will take you to your main website where you added the plugin. Now it took me to my WordPress. So this is my Give WP setup guide, and it's actually everything is completely free. So here I will be connecting my payment gateway. We can connect different gateway. You can just go to view all, or the options that we have is PayPal and Stripe. Why? Because you can see PayPal is a very non-profit online charitable gifts, can be accepted with PayPal. Then we have Stripe. So now you will just connect your payment method. It's really easy. Click on connect to PayPal and then enter your PayPal address and it will be connected. And then you will be able to accept money in your PayPal. Then you can also connect your Stripe or explore more payment gateways from this option. Then we have level up fundraising. Now these are the different add-ons that I added, and they're asking me to select them if I want to add them to my donation form, such as recurring donations, PDF receipts. Then we have tributes and add-ons, such as we can also add like integrations to our donation form and add some plugins, add some integrations such as Google Analytics, MailChimp. Then we have ConvertKit for more campaigns and to actually keep track of what's happening. So we can also add integrations. Once it's done, you can also, get the most out of Give WP. This is going to be you can add like more plugins to it, but as a complete beginner, you can just leave this step. It's okay. So once you've added all the information, you're good to go. You can preview your form anytime you want. Go to donations on your website, and you can also check out your form and create a new form too. So if I click on all forms now, it will actually show me the form I created. And I can customize it if I want. I can also customize the pages. I can customize some of the fields, and I can customize my, pricing right here. Just click on edit and you will be able to select the end goal, like whatever price you have. You will be able to get your different, shortcuts. And then you have the publish option that will show you if it's published or not. So just click on edit and edit the goal for your donations. You can also select a donation level. You can customize it the way you want. Once it's created, you're good to go. And now you can collect donations for free on any of the websites using WP donation forms. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.